Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1951 GMC Series 100 truck. Before we get into the truck, tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory at all times, so quite a few C2s, some C3s, and we're not just all Corvettes. You see a 71 Chevy, 65 Malibu. We do have a McLaren down there, several Vipers. On the other side I have some Mercedes and additional vehicles over there, Porsche, Ferrari, but we have over 100 vehicles in inventory. You can see our inventory at classiccarsofsarasota.com. If you're interested in this GMC we're looking at today, or any of the 100 vehicles we have in inventory, please give us a call at 941-355-1955. But to get into this GMC today, I want to just go over a few things. This has been fully restored, 100% frame off restoration and rebuilt engine. Very unique with a lot of these restorations. They'll go ahead and put a modern engine in it. The unique and I think the cool feature with this vehicle is they kept the inline 6. Again, it runs very strong. They rebuilt it. Obviously they painted it as well. You know, again, engine compartment is in absolutely great shape, looks very nice. Again, it's a little dark in this video. See the pictures online on our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota, and you'll be able to see the engine compartment a little bit better. But again, very, very unique that they kept the inline 6 in. Again, a very neat feature that adds to the vehicle. Runs extremely well. You can see the AC lines. They did add AC to it, so it has some of the creature comforts, but they left the inline 6. The vehicle is brown, as you can see, with kind of a tan two-tone. The paint is absolutely fantastic, in excellent condition, show quality. The interior is tan leather. We'll open up the doors and look inside as well, but just a excellent build here. As we go through, you can kind of see the running boards, the step side. Again, just a fantastic build. Beautiful oak back deck here, and again the GMC on the back just looks fantastic. Color scheme is well done, it fits the vehicle, and it does shine. The underneath, which we'll show you in a second here, is very nice. They do have some modern features under, which we'll get to. It's got front disc brakes, it does have power brakes, rear leaf suspension. The front is Heidts Independent suspension, but we'll show you when we get underneath. The chrome, as you can see here, absolutely shines and reflects. It's in great condition. The quality of this build is one of the better ones that we've seen come through here. Just a great job doing this vehicle. Go ahead and open it up. It's a beautiful leather, brown tan leather interior, bucket seats. They do slide. Another cool feature that they did add is a 350 automatic transmission, so you will see the shifter there, but it is a automatic, but again looks very nice. Added a nice steering column. It does have an indent steering column with the wood wheel. It does have an old style looking radio, but it is a digital radio. Again, kind of update, keep the old with the new. The odometer says 786, and that is from the build. Obviously it has more than 700 miles on the truck, but since the build, 700. So we'll go ahead and start it up here. See, it starts right up. Let it warm up a little bit, and again, it's not a loud vehicle. Let you listen to the engine. Engine sounds the way it should. Again, just purrs. As I mentioned, that inline 6 just starts right up, runs very strong. Not going to have any issues with it. Just a great running vehicle. Kind of hear the exhaust in the back here. Go ahead and get this raised up as well so you can see the underside of the vehicle. Gauges. Good. Get the vehicle shut off and then raise it up so you can see the underside, which is almost as clean as the top side. Again, fully restored, frame off restoration on this beautiful 51 GMC Series 100. If you're interested in this vehicle, please give us a call. If you have questions as well, give us a call at 941-355-1955. We can answer any questions. If you're interested and you need to ship this vehicle, please call us as well. Taylor, who works in our front office, can ship this vehicle and any one of the 100 vehicles we have for sale anywhere worldwide, door to door. She's been shipping vehicles for over 9.5 years, so can certainly ship this vehicle for you. And or, as I mentioned, any of the 100 vehicles we have in inventory as we raise this up. If you're interested in financing or may need financing, we do work with financing partners as well that can get this financed for you. The finance partners we have, they primarily deal with classic cars. So again, they know the market, they know vehicles, and can get you approved if you are interested. Just want to show you the paint from down below here so you can see there's no flaws. Again, tires are white raised lettering. The Cooper tires look absolutely fantastic. The paint, again, you can see it shines and pops as you would anticipate with a freshly restoration. We'll go underneath it as well. As I mentioned, it's got drum brakes in the back. When we get to the front, you'll see it does have disc brakes in the front. You see the frame is in absolutely fantastic shape and powder coated, cleaned. No rust, frame is straight, it looks good. Battery, and as I mentioned, that 350 automatic transmission, which is a fantastic addition, bolted to the inline 6 that runs fantastic. You can see the front, as I mentioned, we do have the disc brakes. It has the Woolworth brakes as well, coil overs, tubular A-arms or control arms. So again, just a fantastic build, a truck that you can get in, run, not have to worry about maintaining it, or will it start, will it run. You can take it to a show, or you can take it to dinner on a Saturday evening, whichever you prefer. Again, it is a great running vehicle, so you can take it out for a Sunday drive, or certainly go to that Cars and Coffee and be one of the top vehicles there for sure. Again, if you're interested, give us a call at 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Thank you.